Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. So we've got a new unboxing for today, and also this is from Walmart, right? So since other state has the and also those the sellers, okay, let's go gonna open this one. So I think it's not available in the in-store, right? Here in the state that I am living in. Okay, so just pick, okay, so I think you already know the title, also the title of the video, and also the right? So okay, right over here, just only for this one. So I've got the Innioasis Y1. So this is the intriguing Mp3 player of the Innioasis is because this is the replica of the iPad Classic, right? So this is the replica of the Apple iPad Classic. Okay, there you go. There you have it. So we've got right here is the MP3 player. So let's go check some accessories over here. Okay, we've got, ooh, they got a nice and upgraded earphones, right? So I like this one. Okay, and we've got the USB-C charging cable, and we've got the right over here how to use. Okay, so let's go gonna have to check the let's go gonna have to check this one, right? Ooh, I already have the Y1, so I really been wanting this Y1, right? So it's because it is the replica of the iPad Classic, and also they got also, ooh, I really love it. So yeah, when you look at that, so nice. Okay, nice. Braided you cable, so I'm gonna have to put that one. Hope that this MP3 player is already been charged. Okay, let's go check some specifications right over here. Okay, there's no specs. Okay, so just have to put that one over here. So let's go gonna have to check. Ooh, okay, I chose the black one. Yeah, I chose the black one. Okay. Okay, there's no SD card slot. Yeah. Okay. Very intriguing. So, how to on this one? Okay. So first time, we are first time using this one, you just have to rely on the, right? So you just have to rely on this one. Click wheel, reset whole USB-C. Okay, power. When power on, okay, where's the power on? Okay, is the power on? Play and pause, stop. Okay, okay, power on. Okay, so it says power on. Connect one plate to your computer with this included USB-C cable. Okay. Short press the button, okay, to one plate to turn on USB storage. Click this PC. Okay, we've got the long press. Okay, what is one? Long press for seconds to turn off this. Okay, this, okay. Okay. Okay, Share press to go back, click will, okay. I don't know, okay. You're gonna have to explore this one, okay? This one. Ah, okay. Okay. It's the it's the center button, okay? The center button. So I forgot how many gigabyte this one, okay? Okay. Um yes, it's a 128 gigabyte. Okay. It's a 128 gigabyte, okay? Welcome. Okay. Oh, okay. Are you sure you want to change the language? No. Okay. Okay. Are you sure you want to change the language? Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah. Oh, nice. Okay, I love this. I love the user interface for this one. And they got some clicker on here. Okay. So I'm gonna. It's so annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn off that one. Okay, where is that? Okay. Time shut down. Off. Repeat. Okay. Okay, there's the ketone. Okay. Alright, okay. That's turning up. Okay, how to go back? I think this one. Okay. Yeah, we've got some Bluetooth, FM radio, photos. We've got some music. Right, so I still gonna have to put some music in here, okay? And then yeah. We've got some uploading, we got the music, videos, audio. Okay, it can play videos, okay. How intriguing, okay. Photos, FM radio, plug-in headset. Okay, so it says there's okay. Start automatic channel, okay. So let's go, gonna have to okay, there you go. So how's the volume in here? Okay. So since there is you know how to okay. Okay, let's go check the volume in here. Okay. Swipe clockwise for the volume. Ah, okay, okay. You're gonna go back. Okay, I have to go back for that one. Okay. Yeah, okay. Since you know how to use the loudspeaker for this one, okay? Yeah, so I already know how to so swipe clockwise and swipe anti-clockwise for the volume also, okay? And then switch to the lyrics window, tap again to return to up. Oh, okay. So I think the loudspeaker is gonna be working for the MP3, right? So yes, perfect. Okay. How to close this one? Okay. Yeah. There you go. So I'm gonna have to put that one, right? I really like the earphones braided. Okay. We've got some audiobooks. Okay, and then Bluetooth. Check some Bluetooth, right? So you're gonna have to go back that one. Okay. Right, okay, so yeah, nice. Really love this one. Okay, gonna have to put some. So it is already 128 GB of memory, right? So it is so lightweight. Okay, I wish if I have a, if I have a weighing scale, right? It's because it's so flat. Okay, I'm gonna have to find some case of this one. So since there is no silicone case, right? Since there's no silicone case for this one, so you need some. I think I need some silicone case for this. Okay. Yeah. So it is 128. The color of this one is the blue gray. Okay. This is the 128. Okay. Oh, okay, I forgot. I'm gonna have to put that back. I'm gonna have to put this back on. So just like that one, and then I'm just gonna get over to it and then put it back here for the, right? Keep the box. Yeah, look at that. I really like also the players because it is so retro style. Okay, so all right. So gonna be my first impression. Yes, it is so lightweight. Right, so there's no screen protector, right? So lightweight, and there's also there's no SD card slot. My main problem is no SD card slot because there's already a card. There's already 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, USB-C, and a speaker for your loudspeaker if you want to listen to music if without the earbuds or earphones or headphones, right? So yeah, it is so lightweight compared to my to machine, right? Okay, and so compared to this one, so if I'm gonna have to take the back cover for this one, yeah, the G1 is the G1 is the G1 is heavier. Yeah, the lighter one. Yeah. Yeah, you can feel it, right? You can feel it. So when it comes to this one, when it comes to mission, okay, just go gonna have to, when it comes to mission, yeah, it's still bigger, but this one, yeah, like this one, okay. There's a really, comparison, right, for that one, okay. So, and then also for the iPad Classic, for the original, so let's go gonna have to check it out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So if I'm gonna have to take off the cover for this one. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So lightweight, right? So lightweight. So yeah, there you go. I'm gonna have to put it back on right over here, and then yeah. Still the same, for the menu, right? So as you can see, for the menu, check that one right over there. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to go back for the menu. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, we've got so the now playing is in the bottom, right? But under, okay. But for the Innioasis, the now playing, and also music, videos. There's no podcast, right? No podcast for the Innioasis. No podcast. And there's also, we've got the extras with no extra. Settings, shuffle, right? So the shuffle for this one is in the settings, right? There you go. So I'm gonna have to write that one. Okay. Alright, so I think that's it for today's video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, and I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. And also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you, and see you again on the next one.